Hey guys, I want to do a quick video. A lot of people, I've had several people reach out to me, like how can you set up a private group for tutoring or teaching classes? One was a yoga class. Another was a personal trainer that wants to set up a training online. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to set up a private Facebook group and set it up live so that you can connect with your audience. There's going to be a couple different ways to do this. If you want just to show you personally live, understand on Facebook you can't bring everybody in together, but on Zoom you can bring everybody into one group. But this could be just broadcasting a live video. So and nobody else could see it unless they're a part of this group and you accept them. So let's dive into this video. I'm going to show you how to set up that live Facebook group for your business. Okay, here we are on the desktop, and so you could do this through your phone, you could do it through a tablet. I would think using a tablet to do the live, it'd be pretty good. Even doing a phone, don't worry about, you don't have to have a webcam and all this fancy material, but it's pretty simple. You know, we do use a microphone like this. It's called a Blue Snowball for just better quality sound, but you don't need all that. A phone, just a regular cell phone, works very well. Or a tablet. Many people have iPads and stuff like that. So here's Pat White. She's got a yoga class. She says join the group and says it's starting at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So she's got a few comments in there. But let's show you exactly how to set up this group, because just go into your regular Facebook group, and this is what I hate about Facebook, is all this political stuff and negativity, but it works great as a platform. And so as you get under your Facebook, you're going to see Explore and you'll see groups. So just simply click on groups and you're going to create a new group. So that's the first step. Create a group, and we're just going to call this Personal Training Nashville. So you can add some additional people. Maybe you have some staff. You could actually set them up under this. You could say only members. This is important because you don't want it visible to everybody, especially if you're just doing somebody personal. So you want to make it private. And this is a way to bring multiple people in as a group. And I'm going to show you one other aspect of this in another video, and that's just going to be on Zoom, where you could have people send them an invite, they accept the invite, they can even register and do it that way. Anyone can find this group. Yeah, you probably want to make it visible, but if you don't, all you do is just say hidden, and you make it just visible to the people that you want to see it. So we can just hit create, and I'm gonna go ahead and create this. So now you could put a little header up here, a photo, a video, or whatever. You can invite members over in this section. So if there's students or certain people that you want to invite in, you can do that right here. As we go down here, here's the key things here. When you want to go live, simply click on this, and it's probably not going to go live because I'm using my camera to do something else right now to record this video. But you're going to select your camera, and you'll be able to go live with this. You'll be able to post or tag somebody. But anything that you post in this group, this is a private group. You can see that right up here. So nobody else is going to be able to see anything in this. So it would be great for students of any kind, whether it was for yoga, for fitness, for high school education, grade school, whatever it is, it'll be great to do that. And you could even use this for your church, but if you're going to do your church, you probably would make this public, because you don't want to just do it to your church members. You want it to, if you're doing a message of hope or whatever, you want it to go out to everybody. So this would be, make it a public group. But one thing, if you do make it a public group, remember to go into your settings and not allow people to comment in there without your approval. So you'll moderate the group and you'll set your settings so that if somebody does post something in there, you get to approve it before it goes in there. Otherwise, you get a bunch of spam in there. So this is a great way to connect with your audience. It's a great way to just really get out there and start connecting, because we live in a different world now. Even when this thing passes over, this pandemic, people are going to be a little at ease, and they're going to, they're shifting into technology that they didn't expect to do, and they may be using this as a platform, but you can build your business a lot with this. So if you need help with this, my website, I'll have it below this video. It's parmediagroup.com. That's PAAR mediagroup.com, 2 A's and an R. So I'm Jim Paar. I've got lots of videos. Remember to subscribe and click that bell notification if you want to see my channel. And you do that simply by clicking subscribe and then hit this bell right up here. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'm very good about answering questions pretty quickly. So appreciate you guys. Take care.